What'd you bring for lunch?
Tuna fish. What'd you get?
I went to the local food market and got a big turkey sandwich.
Oof. Worked up an appetite on this one.
I think I got hair in my sandwich.
Oh, gross. Oh,
Is there hair in my mouth?
Oh.
Protein. Do I keep eating it?
It depends. Did you make it or did somebody else?
Somebody else.
Oh no.
So what do we got left to do to this dock?
Needs a ladder.
Seems
Maybe
to
a
be.
boarding step.
Oh, it's totally a hair in my sandwich.
Oh.
I think I'm gonna throw up. Pretty good. No hair in that cheese. Thanks for sparing your lunch. I really didn't want to finish that hairy sandwich.
Yeah, sure. Shit, I really missed out on this lunch.
You know what? Good thing I didn't get Jedi a sandwich. Bear.
Where?
Right. When you go up the path.
Oh. What if we just put the ladder right off the end, like right here?
I'm just wondering if she has to swim through that log to get to the ladder.
Right here.
Oh, we don't have to swim over that log to get to the
Yeah, we
ladder?
don't have to worry about that. That log's pretty deep.
Well,
That's where you need a ladder.
yep, okay. We can move it if we don't like it.
All right, so ladder and boarding step, and then we're done.
Yep.
That should be easy.
That's a nice hill. Good workout.
Indeed. Indeed.
I got an idea. Put that driving cap right in there.
Oh. Yeah.
All right.
Now I can carry the ladder. Or the saw.
Saw.
Whichever you bring
Put the
right
hammer back there so it counterbalances.
there. Yes. Oh, wait.
Hold the bag.
Oh, gosh.
I got it. Let go.
That is a shoulder pain.
How's that?
A little painful in the clavicle,
Just
but...
lift on it.
Okay.
And I'll carry this lightweight aluminum ladder.
Hi-ho, hi-ho. Uh-oh. Stay hydrated, kids. Time to call Greta.
Hey, you've reached Greta. Leave me a message.
How far are we from the office?
Ladder. Later. You want to do it later?
We forgot something.
What'd you forget?
We forgot the backers to the ladder hoops.
They're flat
Backers
plates.
to the ladder. Oops.
Flat plates on the shelf.
Where are the backers?
They're on the shelf, the green shelf right out the glass door behind you. Jack?
Okay.
Jack will know.
Jack
Yeah, I literally just found him with him yesterday, so he knows.
Carriage bolt stainless?
Yeah,
Yeah.
with the aluminum nylock nuts.
The aluminum
okay, I
nylock
got
one.
it. Okay, let me go get to Jack before he goes on break.
Oh, yes. All right.
All right, bye.
Bye.
Yeah, so let's go meet her.
Well, let's just...
Because we can't mount that.
We can't
without
do
that.
anything without it, yeah.
Can't mount them without that. I got food coma.
Hey, Greta.
Hey guys, got your
Hi.
parts.
Thank
Nuts
you.
and bolts,
Awesome.
backers.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. Let's
Have
go
fun.
finish this.
Incredible, Greta.
Bye.
Bye.
Gabe. Here.
To begin, we're installing this boarding step with Sunwalk 90 perforated FRP decking option. Here we're using the boarding step itself as a template to determine the location for the mounting brackets. Next, we inserted pipes down through the sockets to line everything up perfectly.
Jedi really got out of here right in time, huh?
We tightened the fasteners, securing the brackets to the precise location on the dock frame. Then, we removed the pipes and positioned the boarding step below the mounting brackets.
Drop it.
Next, the pipes went back in, being driven down for support and stability. Then, we raised the boarding step to a desirable level and tightened the set screws to secure it in place. Finally, we trimmed the pipes to even heights and put protective caps on them, finishing the boarding step. Next up, we assembled the ladder on land to keep the fasteners from falling into the water. Because of the lifting force when climbing the ladder, we installed backer plates to disperse the load beneath the decking. The ladder gets bolted down through the deck, as well as into the side of the dock frame. Blue thread lock can be used to help prevent loosening from vibration. The spring pin on each side is engaged to keep the ladder from swinging when in the down position. With that, your Great Northern Dock's aluminum dock ladder is fully installed.
I think Carrie's gonna like this dock.
Yeah, thanks, Carrie, for letting us film over here, and thanks to Jedi for coming out and helping us out.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's go get you a new sandwich.